Hello everyone, Sabrina here, and today I'm going to be showcasing the new Trinity Stamp Celebration Borders die set. This is a part of their Slimline series, and you can use these borders to create a really fun cake on a Slimline card. You can also use these borders separately and embellish a Slimline card. Obviously you can use these dies on any sized card, but it's really nice that they're nice and long so you can add them to your Slimline cards. So as you can see, I pulled each border apart and I did some die cutting. So I'm going to show you what each border looks like once it's die cut. This candle here, you get the negative and the positive. So here's how it looks when you die cut it from some cardstock. You get the candles that cut out in one row, but they also cut out the individual candles that you see above that happy word. Included in the die set is the happy birthday to you word dies. You get the letters and the outline. So here I'm showing you what those look like. You can even combine the letters and the word outline to create a fun, bubbly, outlined birthday sentiment. And here are the individual dies that I cut from some Craft and Cream cardstock. You can see included in the set is a slightly curved line, a squiggle line, a lace, which I think would be pretty on any kind of card, and then that die at the top is actually supposed to be frosting for your cake, and then you get a swirly squiggle. I guess it's hard to explain, but you guys can see what's included. You get a whole bunch of dies that are perfect for creating a cake. And then here you also get a die that cuts out sprinkles. So here I'm showing you the negative I thought looked really cool. And then you also get all those individual sprinkles, which I think would be perfect for a shaker card. You can see I used those sprinkles on this chocolate cake A2 card. And then here is my Slimline. You can do vertical or horizontal. You can see how I used all of those borders to create this fun slice of cake. At the top I added a bunch of sprinkles by Trinity Stamps. And yeah, those are the two cards that I created with this die set. It's a lot of fun. And now I'm going to show you some more inspiration by some other design team members. So I'm going to sign off and I will see you next time. Bye!